This section displays the duplex paper feed mode. Duplex means both sides of the copy paper are imaged. The paper is supplied from the tray. Then the paper is passed to the transfer section through the transport rollers. The transfer process transfers the developed image onto the surface of the copy paper. The paper is then passed to the fusing section. The fusing process fuses the toner on the transfer sheet by applying heat and pressure. After a specified period of time from detection of the paper lead edge by Pod 1, the paper exit drive motor is rotated forward, and again, after a specified period of time, it is rotated in reverse. When the paper exit drive motor rotates in reverse, the paper is transported to the reverse section. At that time, the paper passes the right side of the ADU reverse gate guide by its own weight. The paper is transferred to the output tray. In this example, the output tray is the center tray of the main unit. For details on the transfer and fusing processes, see the copy process section. Paper is supplied from the large capacity paper tray. Large capacity trays offer an increased paper capacity. Moreover, they are normally available on larger imagers which may need additional paper holding capacity. Transport rollers are found throughout the imager. They transport copy paper to the various sections of the machine. Drive units provide drive for most transport rollers. However, these rollers are often directly controlled and turned by electromagnetic clutches. In some cases, a motor may directly control the roller movement. The transport rollers normally consist of two separate rollers, idle rollers and the transport rollers. The idle rollers simply apply pressure to the paper and transport rollers. Paper is received from the transport rollers. At this time, the resist rollers are briefly paused to create a paper buckle. This paper buckle is designed to reduce any paper feed skew which may have occurred during the paper transport phase. The resist rollers are synchronized so that the lead edge of the copy paper meets the lead edge of the toned image. The resist rollers transport the paper to the transfer unit. Resist rollers are normally driven by an electromagnetic clutch. However, some imagers will use a resist roller motor to directly drive the roller movement. The resist roller is commonly referred to as the registration roller. Primary transfer unit. The toned image is transferred from the drums to the primary transfer belt. Secondary transfer unit. The toned image is transferred onto the paper and paper separation will be accomplished. The paper is transported to the fusing unit. In the fusing section, the toner is fused on the copy paper by applying heat and pressure. The idle roller and drive roller discharges the paper to the right tray of the base unit.